Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable auto-delete chat messages for 1 week on Telegram, so your conversations stay clean, private, and automatically managed. Telegram has a built-in feature that lets you set messages to disappear after a certain time, and setting it to 1 week is perfect if you want a balance between keeping chats visible and maintaining privacy. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main chat screen. Next, open the chat where you want to enable auto-delete. This can be any private conversation with a friend. Once you're inside the chat, tap on your friend's name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the chat details page, where you can manage different settings. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 dots. This opens a menu with additional options for that specific chat. From this menu, tap on auto-delete. This is where you can control how long messages stay before they are automatically removed. You'll now see different time options. Go ahead and choose 1 week. Once selected, Telegram will automatically delete messages in this chat after 7 days. And that's it. From now on, all new messages in this conversation will disappear after 1 week, helping you keep your chats organized and more private without any extra effort. Keep in mind, this setting applies to both sides of the conversation, so both you and your friend will have messages removed after the selected time. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your messaging experience.